What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a case that starts normal and then gets spicy. Yeah, that's about it. So we have a defendant who brings in a lot of attitude because she just decides to do probation on her own and doesn't follow what the court's telling her to do. The defendant gets in a back and forth with Judge Wheeler, and yeah, it goes south from there. And then she gets threatened with contempt. That's the entire hearing. It's fun to watch though. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Jennifer Dement. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
So we talked about you have 32 hours of community service and you were going to provide some mental health treatment documentation when I last saw you. Do you have that stuff with you?
Yeah.
Let me see what you have. Thank you. Sounds good. Thank you very much. Okay. So we're getting started on the community service, which is fine.
I've just been having knee problems.
That's fine. Like I said, as long as you've been in court long enough, Jennifer, you know that if folks are doing something, I'm usually not going to come down on. It's when you're doing nothing that we have trouble. So I'm going to find that you are compliant with the community service. I'm going to take a look at the other document real quick here. And so this is an evaluation, certainly, and I'm not going to say anything else on the record because this is your private medical record. This is from July. Are you going to plan on starting some manner of treatment with these folks then?
No, I already did it.
You've already done all the treatment?
It was just 2 weeks outpatient.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So you've completed this program?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I do see that now that this is printed out in July, but it's from November of last year. Do you have anything that shows, and maybe I'm just not trying to skim read this as quickly as I can, that this program was completed?
I wasn't required to do any program at all.
Mhm.
I just wanted to do it for my own. Yeah.
I think that the circumstance though with the stay was that in your stay agreement, and I'm just going to flip pages here just to make sure I'm reading this correctly, was a mental health evaluation and comply with treatment. And again, this did take place after the incident, right? The incident is in a circumstance from
Yeah.
back in May of 24. This is in November of 24. Good with all that. But I just need something that probably says that whatever program this was, that it was completed. Does that make sense?
That was through my psychologist.
Sure. Do you think you could get something from the psychologist that says that that program was done?
Where did it say that I required a program?
Because
Because I know that I had to go
yeah, it's
to
on the
the
first
emergency
page.
department.
It says patient would
for-
benefit from behavioral health interventions. Expected duration of treatment is 4 to 6 sessions over 2 to 3 months. Right on the first page.
Okay, I did only 2 weeks of the intensive outpatient.
Okay. So it would seem to be in compliance with this document if we're using this for court, that you need to complete whatever is being recommended here. Does that make sense?
Not really, because I'm past that.
Well, you'd
I
have to
mean,
get
that was something that I was not required to do, that I just, you know,
But I'm telling you, this was required to do because.
no, I got this right after.
So I didn't enter the contract that you entered.
I know,
And hold
but
on,
I already
stop.
got that assessment in November. and
I
was
understand.
Convicted in March.
Sure.
So it was
So if
like.
you're using that for your agreement that you entered later on in March, then the court's expectation would
I mean, I
be,
could do that, or I could get a new assessment, because I'm not gonna go through it again. Because it's not something that I need. So,
again, When you entered your agreement on March 13th, you said you would get a mental health evaluation.
Well,
You
I said that I had
hold on.
already had one done.
Then you need to comply with the one you've already had done then. You can't
Okay,
have it
so
either way.
I
You can
did it.
choose. Sure, but
I
you
went
need to
to the
comply
intensive
with it.
outpatient, and that's basically what they required me to do.
Then get something from them that says you did everything you need to do.
All right, I'll do that. I mean, so what if, because I think that I missed like 3 classes or something. So, I mean, I did 2 weeks. I was supposed
Quit self-snitching. She's aggravating, interrupting the judge constantly. All right, let's go.
to do 4. So I did 2 weeks of it.
So then you didn't probably complete the treatment
No,
that
I
they
didn't.
recommended.
But my mind got better psychologically.
You entered an agreement. My job is to make sure that that agreement is followed through with. I'm telling you right now, from what I'm seeing, I don't have
So what
documentation.
y'all are saying is that for something that happened almost a year ago, that I almost completed the whole thing minus 2 weeks, that I have to go through another course of mental health classes where I am completely at a different frame of thought than I was a year ago.
You suggested 2 options, and you brought them both up to me.
I mean, I'm
said-
just
you
confused
said,
though, because my
"Oh,
mind is in a
I'm
little different
not going to
place
be
than what it
confused
was
any longer.
then.
Hold on. You either can follow through with what you did in November,
Okay,
if you choose to,
okay,
or you can do a new one.
okay, I'll do a new one.
That sounds wonderful.
All right, cool.
I'll see you in a month.
All right.
Hold on.
Yeah.
But
You do not.
it is, I mean, I just don't see how you would require me to.
We can take her off the stay then.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Okay.
I just wanted to check too, did the court receive proof of the community service and restitution and fines? I
You've
didn't,
done 7 hours of community service.
oh, okay. And no restitution?
Well, because I'm on SSI and I'm raising my grandchild on SSI.
It-
And I want.
She is so frustrating. I don't know what she said when she was walking away from the podium. You could kind of hear a little mumble. If anyone has a lot better hearing than me, which is going to be 99% of you, please let me know if you know what she said. Because when Miss Carmi steps in and not good. I want to know what she said. I feel like it's just something like "this is ridiculous" or something. But she didn't do what she was supposed to do. I love the my head got better, so I stopped going. And that reminds me of something my dad used to say. My dad used to read all these books and recommend them to me. So I'd read them and I'd go ask questions. It's like, oh, I never finished that one. I got everything I needed out of it, so I just stopped reading it. It's like, you read what, maybe the first half? Like how what? That's what this reminds me of.
Wanted to kill
That's-
myself
that's,
less than a year ago, and so
Your Honor-
psychologically, I have not been in a good spot
Your
around
Honor,
the time I did the shoplifting.
why don't my thought would be to reassign her court-appointed attorney. I'll file a motion to revoke. We'll set this out 2 weeks for a show cause to the 21st.
Well, if you want to try to do another evaluation, Ms. Dement, I'm fine with that. Do you want me to give you a month to do so?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna have no problem doing so. I just
Okay.
didn't know. I guess I was a little confused.
Okay.
I'm just saying I worked really hard psychologically to get to where I'm at today. So, I'm pretty proud of myself, actually. Honestly.
This isn't about being proud or not proud. This is
Yeah,
whether
it
or not
is.
you complete the program or not.
Okay.
And I'm giving you 2
At
options
least
for
I'm
that.
alive today.
You can, at this stage, I'm trying to be as kind to you as possible. There's some judges right now that would have already had you go in for contempt. I'm not doing that. I'm giving you every option here possible to walk out of here today, to get a new evaluation. And if it shows that nothing is needed, then
Okay.
wonderful.
All right.
Okay? Keep going.
The passive aggressive threat of contempt. There are many judges that would have held you in contempt for your actions that you just displayed in court. I'm not going to do that. like, that means calm down, lady. Calm down. All right, I'm gonna let the rest of this video play out. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please hit that like button if you did. Until next time, bye.
With your community service, you're doing fine. I'm not looking to pull you out of the program. We'll set this out to the 11th of September. We'll get you some paperwork at the desk by the door. And once you have your documents, you're free to go.